Stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. Want a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an unfull feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. So first to the face, I hear the voice there. You don't know, say a Cogency on the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have Zone 2, Karma, the Cold Room with Tweeko. Is in episode 5 of season 1. You understand? They may drop our next 410 one, but we never get to listen to it. But we listen to ACG Castro, the Active Gang, and the 410 with J Slap It, Skengdo AM. You don't know. I think, yeah, I think it's still free Skengdo. Yeah, cause I think I'm still locked up. So, no, we have Zone 2 Karma, the Cold Room. You don't know, Karma sick and rude already, dog. Full of bars and flows, and him rude. You understand? Both my man in his chest, now his heart's off beat and he can't show love. Both my man in his back as well, now he probably walks like he just got fucked. The way I swing this thing is fucked. So if you're on me, good luck. I make it your time of the month. Man say I make it your time of the month, bro. I'm gonna make you bleed. And you're not a bitch, but you're a pussy. Anyway, man, click my links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's get into this shit, man. Yo, Elevate made this beat.
You know where it is, man.
Karma, aye.
I shout tweaks, man.
Aye, Tweeko.
Nose cold.
Hey, nose coat.
Fuck you know.
It sounds cold.
On your mark, get set. On your mark, get set, get ready now. My man didn't get far, he got a head start, but his legs turned jelly. Wheel it, spin that, no selector, cause he's got a whole bear like hugging a teddy. The other side,
wheel it, be selector, like what? I don't really like I have to pull it up anytime it start now, cause when it run out too far, I just feel like, I don't know, I just always have to pull it back.
On your mark, get set.
No, go back again.
I Tweeko mix this one. It sounds cold.
On your mark, get set.
On your mark, get set, get ready.
No, my man didn't get far, he got a head start, but his legs turned jelly. Wheel it, spin that, no selector, cause he's got a whole bear like hugging a teddy. The other side always,
he's gonna hold bear like hugging a teddy. What? He's gonna hold bear like hugging a teddy bear, dog. Fuck off.
turned jelly. Wheel it, spin that, no selector, cause he's got a whole bear like hugging a telly. The other side always get buried, so right now I'm twisting up free like cane rolls. I know a J from the block one Teddy. The other side always get buried, so right now I'm twisting up free like cane rolls.
Right now I'm twisting up free like cane rolls. Wow. That's crazy. I think they use 3 strands a year for bring the cane roll them back still, you know. I'm not sure. I get cane roll enough time, but I'm not sure how them do it. You understand? Yeah, I think all that 3. Yeah. You're twisting up free like cane rolls. Yeah, that is it. That's
Got a
it.
whole bear like hugging a teddy. The other side always get buried, so right now I'm twisting up free like cane rolls. I know a J from the block one Jezzy, but her name starts with an A, it's not J-Lo. I make a good girl dash with a halo, I dig it in deep, now she's talking about cuffs. Do you know that I hate those? You're giving man PTSD. I really got a dodge from the plain clothes and mark cars, cause I really got it on me. I'm shoot, but I walk with a zombie. Don't get caught cause you said that you're on me. You get left in the past. All for the love of the money. I was doing OT with peps in my ass. In school, I was.
Bro. I think that them need for make what the fuck bars again, dog. Like every time rappers talk about putting peps in their ass, bro, it's like just why? Like, why, dog? Like, you never had to say that, bro. Like, you never had to say that.
Left in the past. All for the love of the money. I was doing OT with peps in my ass. In school, I was always in ice, so apparently I didn't pay attention to class. Shit, heck on my
what?
Peps in my ass. In school, I was always in ice, so apparently I didn't pay attention to class. Shit, heck on my favorite part. I got Ching there his heart. He's a big man to be chilling in parts.
So he's rapping, and he's telling you, here comes my favorite part about how I'm rapping. The part where the ops die. Like, fam! Like, that's sick. But I say, heck was my favorite part. Like that's I can't even explain that how sick that is. That's fucking sick. I've never heard that.
Shit, here come my favourite pop. I got Ching there is hot. He's a big man to be chilling in pots. Pops ain't gas me, more like fuck. Why the fuck am I calling her aunt? I ain't got no respect for a pagans much. Bro, just show
What?
favourite pop. I got Ching there is hot. He's a big man to be chilling in pots. Pops ain't gas me, more like fuck. Why the fuck am I calling her aunt? I ain't got no respect for a pagans much.
So I guess him and him cousin have beef. So then him just say, yo, what the fuck am I calling her aunt? I ain't sure though love to a pagan's march. Oh no, in England, like in Jamaica, they just have manners. They say, hello auntie. You understand? Even though I know your actual auntie. You understand? I guess that's what it means. Or him just have beef with him cousin. Either one, bro. He ain't calling her auntie, fam. Fuck, I got beef with your fucking son, man.
Gas me, more like fuck. Why the fuck am I calling her aunt? I ain't got no respect for a pagans much. Bro, just show me the Maggie. Trust everybody got hair if it tucks. Bust, gloves on, wearing a mask. Shanko bullet might tear him apart. Pull it, hair in it, buck. That'll put fear in the heart. Wearing a mask. Shanko bullet might tear him apart. Pull it, hair in it, buck. That'll put fear in the heart. Look, if you want sound, I'm rap. You better do it yourself, G. Angle your arm like you're taking a selfie. Swing that down, make a man say, help me. Dash from the boys in blue, cause they're playing for keeps, they ain't playing for Chelsea. They wanna see a black.
Dash from the boys in blue ain't playing for kids, they're playing for Chelsea. Boys in blue, Chelsea. Fam, didn't I tell you that he was coming with the bars? Even I didn't expect this shit, fam. Jesus Christ, bro. I felt like I paused this shit like 100 times already. It's only 6 minutes.
Sound on rap. You better do it yourself, G. Angle your arm like you're taking a selfie. Swing that down, make a man say, help me. Dash from the boys in blue, cause they're playing for keeps, they ain't playing for Chelsea. They wanna see a black boy in the cell. They don't wanna see a nigga rich and wealthy. Well, we're still gonna do what we do. Why get tapped like my nigga K2? Known as Ken's, I don't know right you. To the pagan,
known as Ken's, I don't know right you. Fam, he just keeps going.
do what we do. Waps get tapped like my nigga K2. Known as Ken's, I don't
know right you.
To the pagan try if they do, then they probably got no IQ. Man, to the money they don't, I do. Do you love still? I do. I remember looking from a broke eye view. Now I know my pop filthy too.
I remember looking from a broke eye view. Like the flows, fam. Like I do. Broke eye view, like it's flowing.
To the pagan try if they do, then they probably got no IQ. Married to the money they don't, I do. Do you love still? I do. I remember looking for my broke IQ. Now I need my god pool filthy too.
Aye. Bow. Second beat. Aye.
I Tweeko mix this, you know.
It sounds cold. Bow. Bow.
Chill did his homework.
He did his homework. I never did my homework. Fuck homework.
I love when I'm beating the baddest of bees. I got a pussy so wet that it sound like I'm whipping up mac and cheese. I told Gally on me or Joker.
Ooh. Jesus, that mac and cheese sound. Hey, if you know about that mac and cheese sound, you know, nigga.
I love when I'm beating the baddest of bees. I got a pussy so wet that it sound like I'm whipping up mac and cheese. I told Gally on me or Joker. You talk so bad and it sounds all good, but you're so mediocre. She told me her brain's 10-10, but didn't get a boner. G that bitch in the back.
Telling me your brain's 10, but I didn't get a boner. Yeah, fam, a lot of girls think they can give head, but they really can't, fam. I swear to you.
So mediocre. She told me her brain's 10-10, but didn't get a boner. G that bitch in the back to her owner. Whoa, I cheat that dance in the back to.
Man, them put a dog bark like bitch, rough like a bitch. Wow. Fam, this is insane. I feel like I keep pausing this shit, fam. This is insane.
So bad and it sounds all good, but you're so mediocre. She told me her brain's 10-10, but didn't get a boner. Cheat that bitch in the back to her owner. Whoa, I cheat that dance in the back to her husband. I got PTSD from police, you can hear my heartbeat when my nigga says Ascad. So no way can a bad one cuff, man. Let me talk about necks and handguns. Let me just talk about money, cause Tuesday I really got enough of them anthems. Look at your brick or Samsung. Tryna build a line right now, cause I like money more than I like rapping. Look, I don't wanna die right now, so when I'm outside, just know I ain't lacking. Look, this guy thinks I want his girl, but fucking hell, man, I wouldn't even smash it. I wouldn't even get a book.
Think I want your girl, but fucking hell, man, I wouldn't even smash it, bro. Like, your girl wants me, bro. She want me, fam. I don't want her.
Lol, this guy thinks I want his girl, but fucking hell, man, I wouldn't even smash it. I wouldn't even get a block clock. I know a Lang says she got a friend if her brethren's lame, then she might get a fuck. She might get a feature. Man, Man, I used to step round me, cause trust me, I'll leave a tea stain in your teacup. No face to the boy can't name me, I ain't Tracy, that's speaker.
Oh,
Me, I'll leave a tea stain in your teacup. No face to the boy can't name me, I ain't Tracy, that's speaker. Bitch tryna play me, I ain't FIFA. You don't love me, that's my name, but you wanna take me away, you please, huh? No, you can't take.
come play me, I ain't FIFA fam, don't know, gaming channel, don't know, link up, gaming channel, PS4, FIFA, NBA, GTA, talk to me now, man.
Leave a tea stain in your teacup. No face to the boy can't name me, I ain't Tracy, that's speaker. Bitch tryna play me, I ain't FIFA. You don't love me, that's my name, but you wanna take me away, you please, huh? No, you can't take me away, I eat pizza. Got real life beef, gonna take my
Tryna take me away, I ain't pizza, I ain't take away, babes, you can't take me away, I ain't pizza.
name, but you wanna take me away,
I ain't pizza.
No, you can't take me away, I eat pizza. Got real life beef, gonna take my D's. Don't make me put hands on the beater. To the brother, man, ease up, man, I might squeeze on the something like D-cups.
Squeeze on the sound like D-cups. Squeeze on the sound like, I see my wrist might freeze up. I know that, I know I got the power like freezer. I know that my eyes come cold like freezer. Listen, fam. Don't know. Big up fucking Tweeko and After Hours and Karma for this. Bro, I felt like every line or every 2 lines, the man had a bar where I had to like pause and think about what he said, dog. This is fucking insane. Karma just... Sometimes I wonder how the man them just continuously find new bars, bro. Like, this is nothing I've heard him say before, fam. You understand? You know, certain rappers reuse them bars, or you can tell what them are gonna say next or predict. Bro, I did not predict anything this nigga. When the man said, "How bare like teddies," I was like, whoa. And that was the second line. I was like, all right, dog. It looks like Karma means business today. You understand? But fuck it, hell. This was 6. So I guess another 9 or 9.5. Yeah, 9 or 9.5. Insane. Don't know. Big up Karma and big up Tweeko with the Cool Room. Another platform for, showcase the talent in the UK. You see me? So can't vex with that. And big up After Hours if it's sponsored by them. Is it? Don't know. Cogency on the Cogency X channel. Check out my music, gaming channel and Instagram. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. Yeah. Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get roll.